Okay, so service A overdue by 642 miles. So this is typically when the oil needs changing, and I'm going to show you how to reset that service due notification. So firstly, without pressing the brake pedal, press the start stop button one time and you will see the airbag light illuminated. Now come to the steering, press the toggle button and the back button simultaneously for about 5 seconds. Alright, so you're gonna go ahead now and press the home key, which is right here. Then scroll across with the toggle button to workshop mode. Select workshop mode. Scroll down to assist plus. Switch ignition on to go to assist plus. So you're gonna press the start stop button one more time. Go back to the toggle option. Go down to full service. Go to confirm service. Select the oil grade. Service carried out. Select yes. Scroll down to confirm. Full service carried out. So you can go ahead now and start the vehicle. There should be no more notification about service due. Go back to trip and leave it at that. Alright, that's it.